Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is my fall Causebox. I love this box. This box is huge. It weighs a lot. And I just love it. I have the annual subscription, so I'm able to customize several of my items in the box, which I love. And I've had this box several times before. I always love that. The reason why it's called Causebox, it's because it's for a good cause, just like the name says. So I always love that about this box. So let's see. So this is a huge box. It's beautiful on the outside, on the inside. They send you like a little booklet talking about the box, talking about products in here. The editor leaves a little note. You also get this little pamphlet here, and then we get to go inside of the box, and then you get these little like postcards, which I've told you guys before that I love to keep them, to send them to people. So cute. All right, so let's jump into the products, guys. Okay, so the first thing that we were able to customize was either we could get a waffle bathrobe in mint or charcoal, or a waffle towel set in mint or charcoal. And this is a $90 value. So I chose to get the waffle bathrobe, and I got it in the color mint. And let's just take it out of here so I can really show you guys what this looks like. Maybe even try it on. So yeah, guys, if you don't know waffle material, it's this material here. I'm gonna pull it up to the camera so you could see. This is what the waffle material looks like, and it's pretty big. It has its little, you know, nice, and then it has two little pockets here. It feels nice. Nice material, kind of like towel type of material. Should I keep it on? You know how I am, guys. I like to keep the stuff on when I try them on. So yeah, so that is the first thing in this box. So it says unbelievably cozy and superbly soft, could end up being your new WFH uniform. What is WFH? All right, so the next thing is either a glass 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler or a Milky Way lantern. So I chose the glass tumbler, and this is beautiful. Like, it is gorgeous. Look how pretty this is. So this is a value of $39. It brings its little nice cover here. I love it. And then look how pretty this is, like kind of like a bamboo top. And then it has like your little infuser thing in there. And it says a convenient and easy way to brew, used for tea, coffee, or fruit infusions. Of course, I'm going to use it for fruit infusions because I am not a tea or coffee fan. I might have it every once in a while, but it's not really my thing. But this is a beautiful, beautiful bottle. It's a beautiful tumbler. Very nice. So next thing was either a love scrub, a de-stress muscle gel, or a rose gold crisscross cuff. I don't remember what I got. So let's see. I believe I got the rose gold crisscross cuff. And it says it's a stylish bangle featuring an intricate crisscross design. Yes, this is it. So this is what it looks like. It says it's a $42 value. And this is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty, actually. Oh, I love it. Look how pretty it looks on the wrist. I love that. Because, guys, I don't need any more scrubs or any more muscle gels. I just, no. So I was like, okay, I don't need any more jewelry either. But out of all the things, and I really, really like it. I think it's very pretty. The next thing was reusable facial rounds or a basil grow kit. And of course, I picked the reusable facial rounds. I thought this was really interesting. This is what the box looks like. This is a $10 value. And They come in this little thing here so you could wash them. And here are the little facial rounds. And I'm loving this because I could use this to wipe off my makeup and then all I have to do is wash it. They're perfect. It brings a set of 10. So I'm loving that. And then it says every box includes the following products. So we have a bamboo serve set. Look how pretty this is. My husband's gonna love this because he loves this stuff. Bamboo serve set. And this retails for $35. It says prep and serve using this set made from one of the most renewable resources in the world, which is bamboo. Love it. And the last thing is a face serum. And this is $37.50. So it's a face brightening serum for a healthy dewy glow. It fights free radicals and hydrates the skin, made with vitamins A and C. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna see if it has a smell. It does. Has a very, very like herbally with something else that I don't like smell, but I'm still gonna try it anyway. It says, oh, it's marula, black currant, and carrot. So it says, all Way of Will face serums are lightweight, vitamin rich, and easily absorbed to promote moisture and prevent dehydration. Our brightening formula is particularly high in vitamins A and C, which help to brighten, tone, and revitalize the skin's complexion while reducing dark spots and repairing damaged tissues and scars. Great for sensitive skin, this formula will improve elasticity as it softens and smooths the face. So yeah, guys, this was a great, great box. I love this box, guys. I really, really do. I suggest you get it. I will have a link down below. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys thought of this box. I thought it was amazing. I love it. It's one of my favorite subscription services, so I really, really love it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye, my loves.